Does your loved one knows you love them? That many times we all assume that people whom I hang around with, they know that I love them. Do they know it? Is the first question. Does your loved ones know you love them? Are you assuming people whom you love, they know that you love them? Now, how can you prove that you love someone? Parenting, spouse, and kids are the three areas which are given, because this is the last regret which a lot of people have. One of the biggest regret after becoming mega successful, this is the area where people feel incomplete. That's why a lot of suicides have happened. Who are mega successful, I've seen some suicides who were really rich, successful in public level, they're glamorously successful, they've really worked hard, and where they missed was this last segment, and that became a cause of the suicide. That became a cause of their internal depression.
I am more career-oriented person, and working for 24 hours is more important than me. Rather than having the social life when I started my career. But when I started mentoring with you, I started understanding the importance of the social presence. Maybe spending time with family, because the importance what they have in our life to grow in life is more important rather than I become successful alone. It's like if I become successful and if there is no one to celebrate with me, then what is the use of having that success itself? Initially, it feels like that I'm wasting the time when I go and maybe invest my time with with spouse or home activity. It looks like initially I was just wasting the time, but then slowly I started understanding the importance which it can create in the long term benefit of my life. I can say, I can't say the career, but then the whole career professional aspect or the life aspect which I understand. So I have made a rule. In fact, the self talk which I have on a daily basis, I have special line for my my spouse, my friends, and my kids. I always recite. It's almost daily basis to 4 to 5 times. I have this self-talk for my surrounding people as well. It's not only about my dreams or my aspiration, but growing all together. So that's how I actually started programming my subconscious mind.